Hi, my name is NARVELY. I'm a professional. Okay. Hi, my name is NARVELY. I am a professional makeup artist and brow artist extraordinaire. When I started doing makeup 10 years ago, it was never really as mainstream as it is now. Now, women do makeup to go bar hopping or to go to a fete. I mean, that's just part of the entire all-inclusive experience for women in the industry and for women in carnival general. Okay, what was the question? I love my job for so many reasons. I get to interact with women on a very close, personal, one-on-one level. I get to see women at their rawest form and basically transform them into the best version of themselves, which is something that you can't really describe into words what it feels like. But when that client hops off your chair and her shoulders are back and she has like a little extra strut, it means the world to me. On Carnival Tuesday, I could start makeup at 2 a.m. Some makeup artists start work at midnight. It's long hours on your feet, your back don't belong to you at the end of the day. But it's like a rush when you're in it and you're working. You want to be a part of what goes on. The energy is just like nothing you've ever experienced. I think what women like most about Carnival is the fact that they get to be someone that they can't get to be for the rest of the year. Every single aspect of Carnival you could imagine women are a part of, and we basically rule Carnival.